Do you have hair problems like hair breakage, split ends, or you are a person that you do a lot of coloring, straightening? The solution is Smart System BondBuilder from Enercos. It protects and repairs the hair when you mix it with the bleach. Mix it with the color for healthy and long-lasting result. Repair your damaged hair with standalone treatment. With bleaching, 30 grams of lighter, mix it with the right amount of developer, depends on the brand that you are using. Mix them well. On the top, add 5 ml of #1 Enercos Bond Booster. Then mix it again. So with the color, depends on the brand that you are using. Every 50 grams of hair color, mix it with the right amount of the developer, depends on the brand that you are using. Mix them well and add on the top 3 ml of #1 Bond Booster. Then mix it again. With the standalone treatment, wash the hair well with Enercos #4 shampoo, towel dry the hair, then use the special dispenser to apply 10 to 40 ml of Enercos #1 Bond Booster. Wait 5 to 10 minutes, then shampoo the hair with Enercos #4 shampoo. Apply #2 Bond Structure Filler, process 5 to 10 minutes. Rinse and style the hair.